My creamy pasta is ready. Come and join me and have some food. I love pasta too. If you want to take me out to any restaurant, just take me to an Italian restaurant. I'll be very happy. My children too, they love pasta. So I believe they'll be happy when they come back from school and realize that pasta is the dish for today. Let's eat. Here is a closer look. Let me take it outside here. That's a closer look. It looks good and trust me, it tastes good. Come now and I'm thinking of what to cook for my children. Who else finds it very difficult to know what to cook? Even if you have a menu, sometimes you don't really know what to cook. Well, they love pasta, so I guess I'm going to make spaghetti. So I might make spaghetti. I'll use this tomato. I scanned this and guess what? It's very clean. Honestly, I was surprised when I realized that it's clean, which makes the work easier for you. So not every time you're going to look for pepper, tomatoes to blend. So if you know this product, you live in Canada, you can look for this product. It's actually clean. I scanned it myself and it's clean. So let's make some pasta because definitely this is the one they will eat. Let me say it to it. Let's do it. Who else uses olive oil to cook? I do, and I got this one from TNT Superstore. It's a Chinese store, so I can't remember how much. I think it was about 40 something Canadian dollars. Of course, I scanned it. It was clean, hence why I bought it. But I realized something. Since I've been using this particular one to cook, it doesn't feel real. It kind of have a sticky, texture whilst you're eating, or believe it's something else. I don't know. Anyway, yes, this is the olive oil I use, and it's from TNT Superstore. I know this store is not everywhere in Canada. It's kind of selected. It's very few, so you can try this if you've been looking for olive oil to use. It's pretty okay. Do you break your spaghetti when you're cooking it? For me, it depends, but today I'm going to break it. Well, I know any Italian person watching this will not like it. Well, I tend to break it some. Or should I even leave it today? Maybe I can be adventurous today and leave it like this. Yeah, I will leave it like. I plan to break it before making this video, but I won't break it. Yeah, let's go. The reason why I made that decision not to break it is because I'm going to be using a big pot. Yeah, so this big pot definitely will give a lot of space. But if I was using a smaller pot, definitely I'll have to break it. So let's see how it's going to turn out and see if my children will like it when it's long. I know it's like a chore when it's long and you're trying to use your fork. Well, that's part of the fun in eating good food. What kind of salt do you use for cooking? For me, I use pink salt. Don't ask me why, because I actually don't know. Because of all this health thing going on, today someone will tell you that salt is not good. Tomorrow someone will tell you that pink salt is better. Whatever. Well, I started using pink salt whilst in the UK when I'm cooking like that. So ever since then, I think I preferred it because once I use it, I don't really need any other spices, right? So I use pink salt. And today I'm going to be using prawns for protein because I don't know, my children they don't like meat. Do you have children who do not like meat? My children do not like meat. So for prawns, they love it, especially myself. So I'm going to be using prawns for protein and also I'm going to boil egg. Turmeric and curry, is there any difference or is it just the color? I know some people prefer turmeric, some people prefer curry, but I think there's a difference if you ask me because they taste differently. I think the curry flavor, especially the ones from Nigeria, they give this food a distinct flavor that when you perceive the aroma, you want to eat food. Well, turmeric, I think it's just about the health benefits. I don't know. What do you think? Which do you prefer, or do you use both at the same time? Turmeric or curry? At the moment, I don't have curry. I think my curry has finished. But when I have turmeric, I don't really remember curry. But like I said, curry gives it this beautiful aroma that you want to eat the food. I've added my tomatoes, but guess what? I'm not done yet. Don't tell me I'm the only one who does this. Or am I being too Nigerian? Yes, I've done it, but look at that. There are still some things in there that's sweet. So the Nigerian mom in me will not allow me to put this in the dustbin. Call it whatever it is. I know some people say, oh, that's poverty mentality. Hello, whatever it is, you can call it. But I'm going to put water in this, rinse it very well, and pour it into my delicacy. Who else does this? Don't tell me I'm the only one. And don't tell me it's just a Nigerian thing. I think everyone does that. And it's not anything about poverty mentality. Okay? My sauce for the pasta is ready. Now I'm going to pour it into the pasta and it will cook together. I know some people they do it different ways, but it's just a very quick method that I use when I don't know what to cook. So this is it. Pour it in here, cover it all, add lots of water, and then it's boiled. More or less like a drop. That's how this one is pasta spaghetti. Do you have any special method or ways that you cook it? Cooking is an art, if you ask me. People have different methods of cooking. Yeah, and it still tastes nice, isn't it? Now it's time to add more protein. Like I said, I'm going to use egg. I've added prawns. Now I'm going to boil egg. Who else thinks this is fake? Each time I see a white egg, I'm wondering, how did it come about? I know back in those days in Nigeria, and pork as it, is white, but chicken eggs are the white. I'm used to the brown ones. So do you think this is real or fake? What type of hen lay this kind of egg? Please, if you know, can you let me know in the comment section so that I can learn and every other person will learn. Yes, I know I can research, but I might as well just ask you since it came to my memory right now. So, real or fake? What do you think? And that's what I see most of the time here, So I don't know. Because this North America, so many things are fake, chemicals and all of that. My creamy pasta is ready. Come and join me and have some food. I love pasta too. If you want to take me out to any restaurant, just take me to an Italian restaurant. I'll be very happy. My children too, they love pasta. So I believe they'll be happy when they come back from school and realize that pasta is the dish for today. Let's eat. Here is a closer look. Let me take it outside here. That's a closer look. It looks good and trust me, it tastes good. If you've been looking for coconut water that is clean, try this. It's clean and it tastes nice, very refreshing. When I scanned it showed excellent, about 78% or so. I'm going to take a screenshot of the scan and put it on this video. So yeah, you can find it. Where did I even buy it from? I think I bought this from Food Basics. Yeah, I use Instacart for shopping because I'm a soft girl. I don't go shopping. I do my shopping online. Don't judge me. Well, judge me if you want to. I don't care. So yeah, find it and then what's the name? Chaoko. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Cha and Oko. Cha and Oko. That's so erotic. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it, and it's actually a Canadian brand. Oh, okay, imported by. Yeah, well, product of Thailand. So the good thing is that it's clean. That's it. Who else doesn't like egg yolk? How can you not like egg yolk? That's my son. He doesn't like egg yolk, but he likes the white one. So he kind of separates it and look forward to eat this one. Well, I'll eat it.